What am I allowed to drink when I'm fasting? So there's different kinds of fasting and stuff, and honestly, I don't do this stuff for religious reasons or for the other health reasons. I do it just because I like to look good and I don't like to say goodbye to pizza, and it makes my life easier. So I know there's some people that are very intense. They do dry fasting. They limit it. And Dr. Rhonda Patrick, she doesn't drink coffee, I believe. I believe she's the only one. But here's what I drink. I'm getting soaked for this video. Here's what I consume when fasting. When I wake up, I usually have a lot of water. I chug cold water. I put some lemon in there. I'm not afraid of lemon. Some people are against that. Once again, that's just what I do. My phone may get damaged here. I put some pink Himalayan salt in the morning just for electrolytes, because your body needs electrolytes. Look it up. I can't explain that in one quick video here. And then I proceed to the coffee. So once I'm hydrated, I then move to caffeine. You gotta hydrate, caffeinate, and then dominate. I don't drink coffee on an empty stomach because it doesn't sit well for me. I can only drink coffee if I'm super hydrated. When I used to, in the past, I would drink coffee on an empty stomach and I would get sick, like nauseous. So now I chug a lot of water and I feel good, and then I get to the coffee, black coffee. I get asked about this all the time. Can I put this? Can I put that in there? Look, the goal is progress over perfection as we strive towards perfection. Does that sound good? It kind of sounds good. But I mean, if you have to add some cream or some stevia or some crap, I'm not the fun police. I'm not here to lecture you. Do whatever you want. I just don't do it. I stick to black. Once in a blue moon, I'll put a little bit of cream in it if I'm feeling crazy. Usually black coffee, espresso. And I love sparkling water. I drink this stuff religiously. There's different flavors. You want to look into the ingredients, but I like the taste of bubbly. And sparkling water helps me feel full. So first you start up with regular water. If you want pink Himalayan salt in there, add some lime or lemon in there. Chug lots of water, stay hydrated. Move on to the coffee, and then throughout the day have sparkling water. I only have sparkling water when I'm fasting. With my feast, I don't have it. I have regular water. And wow, these guys, you want some? Wow, look at them. They're coming up on me. A 4-on-1. And then yeah, so sparkling water throughout the day helps you feel full. And once I'm done eating, I go back to the sparkling water. This stuff is amazing. There's different flavors, all 0 calories. I love it. You may fall in love with it. Some people don't like it. It's an acquired taste. And yeah, those are my fasting fluids. Let me know in the comments what kind of fluids you have when you're fasting. Thank you for watching.